Hi, this is Shubham, and in this video, we will learn how to do web scraping from an URL by using Power Query in Microsoft Excel desktop version. So let's start. So I have opened an URL, and as you can see, I will copy this URL, and we want to get certain information from this page. So let me show you. There are a couple of movies, basically top 250 movies all over the world. So what we want is we want that information like the name of the movie, the duration, the rating, director name, how many votes have been received, and the image as well. And if we see on this particular URL, there are almost 250 movies listed with certain information, right? So how to get this data via web scraping technique in Excel? So let's get started. So let's copy the URL first. Let's go to Microsoft Excel. And in Excel, you will go to the data tab, click on from web. Remember that I am using Excel 365 version. Now the URL which you have copied, just paste that. Click OK. Alright. So now you can see a navigator dialog window where you can see certain tables. Now we will be using this feature called add table using examples. Now the URL is being opened on top, and what kind of data we want from this particular URL. So we have to provide some examples to this feature, and that it will fetch according to our patterns. So let's say the first column will be movie name. Press the enter key. Let's write the first movie, that is the Shawshank Redemption. And you can see that is being written here. Double click on this, press the enter key. Now let's provide another name of the movie, that is second, The Godfather. Okay, so let's double click here, press the enter key. Now when you provided two initial names of the movie, it has listed down. And let's scroll down till the end to see. So you can see there are 250 records as I mentioned on the URL. Now what we want is the duration. So let's click on this plus icon, plus sign. Let's rename this column as duration. So let's provide first one or two samples. So the first movie as of 142 minutes. Let's write 142. A double click on this, press enter, and you can see some of the minutes has been filled automatically, but some are still empty. So let's provide again a sample. So the fourth movie is The Godfather Part 2nd, 202 minutes. Let's double click here, enter, and see now it has been filled, right? If there are some still gaps, you can fill that out. So for some of the movies, as you can see here, the minutes are not available in this particular data on the website. So it is being left out as a blank. And so no worries, rest of all are filled. Now what we need next is the rating. So let us insert a column rating. Let's provide a rating which is 9.3. In this case, for the first record, 9.3, double click enter, and we got the rating column filled, right? Now the next is we select this new custom table which we have extracted from add table using example features. Let's click on load. So this is how we can do web scraping using Power Query in Excel. Thank you.